I buy $70 worth of products on Temu and only paid $20. It's not a scam or a glitch. It's a real strategy that works every 8 days. Most people shop in the regular way and think they're getting very good deals, but they're actually leaving free money on the table. I've done this at least 12 times. So, how do you do it? Open the Temu app. Your instinct is to browse normally, but that's a mistake. Instead, you need to find the secret page that gives you credit back. So that's how you do it. You go to the search bar, type claim credit. This takes you to a special credit back page. You see a flashy casino-like animation that looks random, but you're always gonna get the maximum credit back, usually around 70%. Now add products to your cart until you reach $50 back. You pay around 70 bucks the first time, only the first time, I promise you. So now is the tricky part, but it's totally worth it. Here's what Temu doesn't tell you. Your credit isn't instant. Instead, it is split over 7 days. So every day you need to open the app, go to the claim credit page and collect your portion. So after 7 days, you have your $50 back. You cannot miss any day. So on the day number 8, you go back to the claim credit page and make your second purchase. So now things get really interesting, because right now you're going to buy $70 worth product, but you already have 50 in credit, remember? So then you're gonna pay only 20. So that's the trick. So also, if you have like price adjustments on the past purchase, you can even pay less than that. If you keep doing this every 8 days, you'll never pay full price ever. And if you don't have the Temu app, click the link below to get a free gift.